Welcome back to another video on our trials of chilies at the greenhouse facility. Now, as you can see, this is the first variety which is growing very well. The apical meristem, there's no deformity of the leaves, okay, and they have a good height. Now, both of these varieties which we see, this row and the other row, are grown in the same conditions, the same fertilizer, the same soil, which is the Kikila compost, as well as the same nutrients in the form of fertilizers. Now, what's very interesting is this plant here, this variety. And as you can observe, there is a distinct variation in the apical meristem. Not all plants have it, but a majority of plants have it. This one's normal. This one is developing this kind of morphology. Again, this one's here, so you can see the leaves are very diminutive, but this one is affected quite badly. Now, there are various reasons for this. The first can be generally waterlogging, but the soil is not waterlogged because we are using the same soil for both the varieties. The second thing which we'll suspect is either a virus or a viroid. Now, viroids cause this kind of symptom. So you have leaf curling, and a viroid is essentially an RNA molecule. It's a circular RNA molecule which self-replicates, unlike a plant virus, which will have a distinctive coat, a protein coat. So I suspect that these are either a virus or a viroid. Now, in order to test this further, we will have to conduct RNA extraction, a DNA extraction, and then PCR or RT-PCR, as the case may be, in order to determine whether this is a viroid or a virus. From the perspective of the farmer, these kinds of viroids and viruses can be devastating because they can lead to crop losses. This plant will not grow, or I suspect if it does recover, the yield will be definitely lower as compared to these plants which are fully grown. This is another variety. Now, another interesting fact is that these viroids are generally transmitted by aphids, whiteflies, or other insects. Now, the fact that we are in a greenhouse in which there is no insect, so means that this has definitely been transmitted via the seeds. So seed testing is one of the essential prerequisites to planting, and this can lead to significant reduction in losses. This is another plant of the same variety, which you can see here. And this is the new batch of plants, so we'll check these to determine if they exhibit the same phenomenon of viroid infestation. So that's about it from our plant testing facility. Thank you for watching.